In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a GoDaddy website. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account settings, products, and website tools all in one place. So it's a good central hub whenever you want to make updates. Next, click on your profile. This usually gives you access to account-related options and helps you navigate to the area where your products and services are listed. After that, click on My Products. This section is important because it shows everything connected to your account, including any websites you've purchased, created, or are currently managing. From there, find and select the specific website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. This helps avoid making changes to the wrong website. Once you've selected the right website, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, which is the main place where you can make changes to your site's design and content. Now you're in the editing area, and this is where you can really start managing your website. Feel free to customize your site based on what you need. For example, you can update text, change images, adjust sections, refine your layout, and make your website match your brand or purpose more clearly. Take your time here, especially if you're making visual changes, because even small edits can make a big difference in how your site looks and feels to visitors. As you work, it's a good idea to review your changes carefully. Make sure the content is clear, the design looks clean, and everything appears the way you want it to. If your goal is to keep your website current, this editing area is where you'll return whenever you need to refresh content or improve the overall appearance of your pages. Once you're done making changes, click Publish. This step is essential because your updates won't go live until you publish them. After publishing, your website visitors will be able to see the latest version of your site. And that's how to manage your GoDaddy website. It's a simple process. Sign in, go to your profile, open My Products, select your website, click Edit Website, make your updates, and then publish when you're finished.